Hello there. So you want to know how you can request a refund on EA games? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and launch your EA games launcher. As you can see, now all you need to do is go ahead and click on this top right icon, which is going to be your profile icon, and click on settings. Once you've done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead into your accounts right over here and click on manage right over here. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this window right over here, as you can see, which is going to be a account management tab right over here. And now all you need to do is on the left hand side, there's going to be your payment and wallet right over here, and on the order history you want to click right over here. Now once you've done that, it's going to say verify your identity and send you a mail. So simply go ahead and check your mail and just enter your code that is sent to you. So as you can see, here is the code. I'm simply going to go ahead and copy that and then paste it back here and click on submit, and it's going to show me my order history. This is where every single one of your transaction is going to be, and on the right hand side there is going to be a refund button, and then you'll have to explain to them why you want to get a refund. And also you can't get a refund for a game that has been on your PC or your purchase more than a week. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.